except obviously feeding the baby, वो कर नहीं सकते थे. थोड़ा impossible था उनके लिए. You want to answer the man-child part of the question?
I think that's true for all. So होता ये है कि जब when a woman gets a woman develops that maternal instinct as soon as she gets pregnant. But a man becomes a daddy in an instant. The moment he holds his child for the first time, that's when suddenly there's a switch that goes on. So वो और उसके पहले आई थिंक हर मर्द थोड़ा सा मैन चाइल्ड ही होता है बिकॉज उसको समझ में नहीं आता, उसको पता नहीं है, उसको थियोरेटिकली पता है व्हाट इज इट लाइक टू बी अ फादर, बट देन टू become a father and once you go through that experience, how life altering it is, that only comes with experience. So that is the journey that we thought will be interesting to see on screen, which we've never seen before.
Quickly, my question shifts to Kunal now, to the same that Neeraj said, adding on to that कि लाइफ जो होती है एक फादर की वो चेंज हो जाती है, उससे पहले वो मैन चाइल्ड ही होता है. तो रियल लाइफ में आप रहे हैं मैन चाइल्ड और हमने स्क्रीन पे भी आपको एज बहुत चार्मिंग मैन चाइल्ड के तौर पे देखा है. योर इनोसेंस है ना, हम देखते आ रहे हैं. बट देन जब आप फादर बने थे, सो द फर्स्ट थॉट दैट केम इनटू योर माइंड एंड हाउ लाइफ चेंज्ड व्हेन यू बिकेम फादर ऑफ इनाया.
I think I'm still a man child, I'm just modified. But the first thing, I think it's the quickest that you commit to a relationship. उसमें समय नहीं लगता. The moment you hold your child for the first time, it's that relationship where you know that I'll jump in front of a bus for this one, even though I've just met this person. And that, I don't know how to explain it other than that. It's just like Neeraj said, it's like you instantly become a father.
How beautiful.
Thank
Thank you
you
for
so
sharing,
much.
Kunal.
Thank
Thank you, Namita. And we already have a mic here with Avinash. बोलिए ना.
Hello everyone. First of all, congratulations. ट्रेलर बहुत प्यारा है. एंड तान्या, आपको मल्टीपल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, मल्टीपल शुभकामनाएं, क्योंकि साल ही पूरा धमाकेदार रहा है. बतौर दर्शक हम लोग ना एंड रिजल्ट को देखते हैं, इंजॉय करते हैं कि यार ये जॉनर, ये थीम. मैं आपसे वो प्रोसेस समझना चाहता हूँ कि वो अलग चीज़ जब आप तक पहुँचती है, उसको दर्शकों तक लाने का वो प्रोसेस कितना मुश्किल होता है. फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकेंड थिंग, मैं अगर इस पूरी कास्ट की बात करूँ, इन कैरेक्टर्स की बात करूँ, ऐसा कौन सा रोल है जो आपको सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ेदार लगा है, जिससे आप कनेक्ट कर गए?
Thank you, you're very kind with your praise. Glad you're enjoying हमारे सारे shows को और films को, you're enjoying them. But I think एक बहुत ही गहरा process होता है, एक बहुत ही involved तरीके से हम अपने partners के साथ उनके ideas को कैसे हम how do we bring them to life. जैसे when Ishita was talking to my team about the story, it was a much shorter story. फिर उसको एक पूरी series में ढालना has been a very involved and very intense process, I would say. I think the magic is in the writing. And then after that, we really go to the best magicians that you can see around us. And they really, like what Manoj sir said was bang on. कि actually, agar if you hand the right job to the right people, there is only magic to witness. And this shows pure magic in that sense. मैं आपका दूसरा सवाल भूल गई.
कौन सा कैरेक्टर है जिससे आप सबसे ज़्यादा कनेक्ट कर पाए?
ये बहुत ही मुश्किल है. I'll go with Gigi. I love his sense of humor.
Well, thank you so much for that lovely question. And thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Hello everyone, this is Komal Vishwakarma from Miss Malini. So I have my question to Neha and Suhail. I want to know from both of you, what was the most hilarious or unexpected moment during the shoot?
I mean, I can't reveal much about the script, obviously, but for me, like the scenes when I had to walk into like viewing the entire family from my point of view, and all of it was so funny, like, right? Because the only person who had been given this strict mandate that you cannot smile, laugh, make people laugh is me. I don't know ये क्यों होता है, पर ये होता है. Or but the truth is that if you saw the entire show from mine or the audience's point of view, it's hilarious. It's impossible not to find anything funny. Revealing specifics would be absolutely wrong right before the 12th of December. But when you see it, you can go back to what I was saying. It's really like, and the thing is, the humor is for everybody. It's not just कि और आजकल ना यही दौर है कि बड़ा intense show लिख रहे हैं या बड़ा thrilling show लिख रहे हैं या just everybody needs to lighten up. And we have given you that little pill that you can lighten up on the 12th of December if you watch Single Papa. And really, it is really that. It's something that you can watch with the entire family, and it's the need of the hour.
Are you the serious one in real life?
Me? Not at all. I have one of my closest friends sitting over here who can answer this. Kunal, am I serious?
You're Dead
Except
serious.
about my husband. Am I serious about anything else?
Ah, you're very
It's a
serious
different
about
answer.
not being serious.
We really wanted to be serious
No, it's just
because the other thing is not working.
That's what I said. She's very serious about not being serious.
my face is just very strict looking, but I'm not serious. But we'll hang out. Yeah.
पर मैं आपको ऑनेस्टली बताऊं, ये कास्ट का रोज मतलब हर एक दिन इनके साथ हर सीन ऐसा था कि हम लोग ठहाके मार के हंसते थे और इतना मजा आता था ना। मैं शशांक, हितेश सर तो हर बात पे हाय करके हंसते हैं। एंड
Never with me. You were always upset about something.
आप सीरियस हो ना थोड़े।
नहीं ये ठीक नहीं हुआ.
तो मतलब सीन तो नेहा ने जैसे बताया हम नहीं रिवील कर सकते, पर इस सेट पे हर दिन बहुत ही मजेदार और बहुत ही हंसी से भरा था।
Well, thank you so much, Komal, for that lovely question. And thank you all of you कि आप हमारे इस गहलोत परिवार के बेबी शावर में आए. बहुत मजा आया, लेकिन अब बारी है मेरे दोस्तों की जो यहाँ बैठे हैं अपने कैमरा
But
के
just one
साथ.
sec, I think जो
है ना?
स्टार आपने नहीं मिले हैं शो में वो आज नहीं आ पाए is Amul. I think Hami is the biggest star of the show, bigger than Kunal also.
How cute, yeah. Thank you so much.
You will actually fall in love with him. आप किसी और के लिए देखे ना देखे, you will definitely watch the show for him. He's the
Aw.
cutest baby ever.
Thank you
The
so
literally.
much. Thank you so much for
Also,
that.
just quickly, I would just want to give a shout out to all the team that has worked on this, all our assistant teams, our DOP teams, our production designers,
production designers.
everyone, our EP unit. I think they all ensure that we are living in a very lovable unit and in a fun unit. And I think all the contribution of all the writers, and I can see Akanksha, Anup, Shikha, all of them, everyone, Swati, I mean, there are so many names to take. But all of them, thank you so much for making the show, because oftentimes we are just the face of it, but a lot goes into making something. So a big thank you to all of them.
Well, thank you so much, each of you. So this is how we'll do it. आप ही बताएंगे कि कैसे हमें ये फोटोज लेने हैं पहले, ठीक है? तो सबसे पहले ये चेयर्स हटाने हैं. हमें 1 सेकंड दीजिएगा. Can I please request the Gehlots to stand up and the ancillary families to stand up? दूसरी बात ये कि आप थोड़ा सा आगे पीछे हो जाइए और मुंह दिसंबर भूलिएगा नहीं नेटफ्लिक्स पर सिंगल पापा. And as the chairs will make
everybody.